What up?
I still need to go.
Alright, y'all go do your girl thing.
Okay.
All right, so
Okay,
we're gonna
bye.
go. We're going this way to start.
Okay.
Good luck, babe.
Bye, G.
He's like a big quad.
Welcome back to Caddo Lake, y'all. We are here this weekend for the Texas Bass Nation tournament. It's a one-day tournament on Saturday. So thought I would come up, get a little bit of practice in. Kind of decided to fish this at the last minute. Alex is here, Scott's on his way. It should be a great weekend. I just absolutely love fishing Caddo Lake. It's just one of the most unique fisheries, I think, in the whole United States. It's a big, giant, flooded cypress forest. And it's the only natural lake in the whole state of Texas. And with that, you know, it's like 26,000 acres. Average depth is 4.5 feet. You know, it's just a really unique fishery, and you can power fish it, you can finesse fish. It's going to be a lot of fun this weekend. I'm really looking forward to it. So wish me luck on Saturday, and let's hope I catch some big ones. Oh, there we go.
Get him, Wes. We're horrible. Yeah.
Maybe 16?
Yeah, sure.
On the spinny.
Welcome back to my channel. Just wrapping up the Bassmaster Classic. Just have to say huge thank you to all of you that came out.
This is a Dobbins spinnerbait. Probably, I think it's a 1/2 ounce with white and silver blades. Pretty cool.
I think it's going to be kind of tough.
Think so?
I think it's going to be kind of tough. But I did see I saw 2 fish blow up on a little shad. Like, it's not salvinia, but it's like that. It's this stuff right here, wherever that is. And they were blowing up in it. So I threw a frog in there. And one of them ate it, but they weren't very big.
Yeah. Oh!
You have your right.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, it could have been.
Giant. A little bitty one. 12 inches maybe. It's angry. Oh,
Oh, Kristine!
Yes, Wes!
I don't think it's a bass.
I think it's not a bass. I do not know. Maybe. Oh my God.
Okay, that.
And I'm over this tree. Oh my God. Oh shoot.
Very in there.
Oh my gosh.
Please tell me your 360's running.
Yes. Oh, it's so nasty. And I didn't bring my net.
I see it jumping.
Oh, what am I supposed to do with this?
They're a nasty.
Oh.
Don't grab it in the mouth.
Oh, I'm not. Oh, I'm not. I'm trying to find my pliers.
That's a nice one. Those things fight so hard, Wes.
What in the world? Look at that thing.
Yeah, they need love too.
Oh.
They're like a big old snake fish.
Oh my God.
That's awesome. That was way back in there, huh?
Yeah, I thought it was a bass on a bed back there.
That would have been pretty freaking cool.
Ah, give it to me.
You get it? That was pretty cool.
I almost broke my rod, man.
Yeah, they're strong.
I think I need some new pliers. Oh my God.
Yeah,
Well,
those fish are in here.
there's something in here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Funny.
Oh, it does look froggy.
God freaking do it!
Ah, stop it! Ah! Oh my God. I cannot with you.
I said it looked right.
You did. God bless. Now I'm gonna have to fish with a frog.
First cast.
Oh my God.
Look what it did to that frog. I mean, goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Pulled the dang body off the.
I still have that frog you gave me the last time we were here.
Yeah, it is.
Me gets hung immediately.
Frog on this lake. You need to freaking have that tied on. Okay, grab the cord. This frog is freaking juicy. It's like they see all the big frogs. This one's so tiny, you just like keep it and walk it. That was so cool.
This looks froggy.
It really does. Look at this.
Oh! A nice one. Missed it on the frog, of course.
Is it on a frog?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bless.
Throw it back. Right, we got it. That was okay.
Oh!
Goodness. Let's skip that one over there.
Yes!
That scared the crap out of me. They are violent on the frog right now.
Oh! Oh! I heard it! I heard that! That was my fault,
Get
man.
back in there.
I'm working on it. It backlashed around the end of my... Ah!
It almost ripped the freaking rod out of my hand.
It sounded like a good one. Was it on the tree?
Yeah.
What's that freaking fish, Wes?
I'm trying. They don't like me. This is why I hate fishing a frog in a tournament. You lose so many fish.
Did you jack it like out of its mouth?
Yeah. Well, no. What it did is I had it like this, walking it, and it pulled down so hard it went like that. Like it literally almost jerked the rod out of my hand. Oh, what was that?
I'm not disciplined enough of a human being to give them several seconds to take that frog down.
Listen, I'm not either.
And I understand that, like, I really just got into a really good little area. What's that?
Trail mix.
Yeah.
Even when I brought snow. This is a lifesaver. Ooh, it's got chocolate in it. Mm-hmm. I've also had like several people at work like make comments to me about my videos. Not negative comments. I mean, they're all usually like, "Oh, I love your videos," but definitely, I'm still getting people who think that I'm never at work.
So you're never at work?
Yeah, and so I'm like, yeah. And there's like been several times where I have had to tell people, no, I'm at work. Like, just because a video got posted doesn't mean I'm not there. Yeah, well, it's also, I should have put some sunscreen on.
Huh?
I'm just red from the ankles down.
Get that chocolate down.
I mean, yeah, like anytime somebody has said something to me about it recently at work, I've just been like, you do realize like social media is just a construct, right? Like,
Yeah.
it's not real.
Yeah.
And they're like, oh. And I'm like, yeah.
I hardly, very rarely, unless it's like a tournament.
You know why I think I don't like fishing a frog? It takes entirely too much concentration. Like,
I think that's why partly I do like it.
because you can like laser focus on that one thing.
Yep.
Well, you guys, that's the end of the practice video for Caddo. As you can see, I did not catch a single fish on the frog in practice, but I did miss a ton of them. Kristine and I had so much stinking fun, though, and she just absolutely wrecked them on that frog. And when you watch the tournament videos for these days, you're going to see me lock a frog in my hand at the end of the day and go to town. And I still missed a bunch of fish, but I caught a couple too. So thanks for tuning into the channel, everybody. I appreciate you so much. Tight lines.